welcome to my channel. My name is Sydney if you're new here. So I actually went ahead and took the leap and I purchased the Canon G7X Mark II. I was between a couple different cameras before purchasing. One was the Sony ZV-1 digital camera, as well as the Canon EOS mirrorless M50, something like that. Anyway, I thought the Canon G7X Mark II was the best option because it's to be the most used within the YouTube community, and I thought it was just kind of more of a staple camera. You can kind of travel with it, you can do some sit-down videos. I've also read reviews about the Mark III, and the Mark II seems to be the better option all in all. So here she is. She came in this box here, and I purchased her from Best Buy. I did Best Buy because I could buy a 2-year extended warranty, and it also comes with a 1-year manufacturer warranty. I just felt most comfortable purchasing in person from Best Buy because you can order it on Amazon and you can order it from Walmart at a bit cheaper price, but I just felt more comfortable purchasing from Best Buy. So all in all, I spent a total of $741.49. The camera itself before tax was $629.99, and then the 2-year extended warranty was $62.99, and then tax in total was $48.51. I think this camera will be worth it, and I'm really excited to start using it. So this is what the box looks like, and I'm just gonna go ahead and open it up. It's like we have some user instructions, which I definitely will be utilizing, and I'll also be looking up some YouTube videos on how to use the camera as well. So yeah, it just looks like we have a user manual, a warranty, and then it also asks you to register your product. That's probably so the warranty can take effect. And then the camera is located in this little compartment with some plastic wrap over it. First, we're just going to go through everything else. So it looks like we have the charger port for the battery, as well as a camera strap, probably just for around the wrist. And then we have one battery for the camera. And I did not purchase a creator's set just because I do already have a tripod. I have an SD card. Right, so the camera comes in here. We'll just go ahead and open it on up. And I've already played with the store model, so of course I know what it looks like. I felt it, but not my own. So just take it out here. And very shiny and beautiful. Another reason that I did choose the G7X Mark II over maybe the Sony or the Canon EOS M50 is because the screen flips up. So I feel like it'd not be super noticeable if you're trying to look at yourself or look at the focus. I think if you want to take like some up shots, you're able to just kind of see the screen easier, move it around a bit to your preference. So in the bottom here, this is where we're going to insert the battery and the SD card. I have my SD card here. It is just a 64 gigabyte Infinitive brand. And I got this one because it was on sale at Walgreens. I think I got it for like 20 bucks, to be honest. SD card just slides in. It makes a clicking noise. And then the battery pops in here as well. And let's power her on. On button is up here at the top. And it's super compact. I love that. So it's not gonna feel like, if you do wanna vlog in public, you're not hauling around like a super big camera. And I did order a camera sleeve off of Amazon, and it's honestly probably in my mailbox, but I don't feel like going out to get it, so. Also wanna try it out and kind of see the video quality compared to my iPhone 11 Pro. I believe I have the iPhone 11 Pro. Honestly, I can't keep up with Apple anymore. It's just so beautiful. She's just super sleek and clean and classy. We love that. So this is the tripod I have. It is the Targus brand, and I've actually had this tripod forever. When I was younger, I got like this digital flip out camera for Christmas because I wanted to start a YouTube channel, and I did that, but the camera's quality just was not it. So yeah, I'm missing the piece that screws into the bottom of the camera to stabilize it on the tripod. So I'm just going to have to take a shot like manually, I guess. All right, let's record. Oh, that was a picture. Not cute. I'm already gonna have to Google how to take a video on this camera because I have no idea. Oh, there is a red dot back here to record a video. Silly me. Hi guys, so this is me recording on the Canon G7X Mark II. The quality looks beautiful. I am in natural light. Yeah, the quality is there. Super nice. So yeah, this was a random video, but I thought I would just introduce my new beauty. So all in all, I do think this camera is a good investment if you do have the funds to do so. But also the iPhone quality is amazing. I really just wanted an upgrade and I wanted to take my channel to that next level. I also feel like having a camera is like motivation to getting your channel started. This is what my future videos are going to be filmed with. I am so excited to start using her. I'm going to be posting lifestyle type videos, school vlogs, days in my life. So if you'd like to see more of me, be sure to subscribe down below. Thank you for watching and have a good day. Bye.